Most people get Lucktastic completely wrong. They think it is a guaranteed money app or a trick to make easy cash. But here's the truth no one tells you. Lucktastic is not a skill-based earning app. It is a luck-based system with small rewards, sweepstakes, and rare wins. In this video, you'll learn how Lucktastic actually works in 2026, what strategies can improve your chances, and how to avoid wasting time on habits that never pay off. By the end, you'll know the smartest way to use the app without falling into common traps. Let's start with the reality. Lucktastic is based on digital scratch cards and sweepstakes entries. You scratch cards, earn points, or enter draws. But here's the problem. Most outcomes are random. That means there is no guaranteed method to force wins. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though you cannot control outcomes, you can control efficiency. That is where strategy actually matters. First, consistency is key. Users like Alex, who open the app daily and use all available scratch cards, tend to accumulate more entries over time. Skipping days means losing free chances that could have stacked up. Second, focus on bonus opportunities. Lucktastic often runs limited-time events or boosted reward periods. These are the moments when your activity has slightly higher value. Missing them means you are playing at base level all the time. But here's the mistake most people make. They spend hours trying to force a win by endlessly scratching cards. That does not improve odds. It only increases time spent with the same probability. Instead, think of Lucktastic like a long-term lottery entry system. The more consistent your entries, the more exposure you get to random wins. But expectations must stay realistic. Now, let's talk about maximizing efficiency. Always complete daily login rewards if available. These give you free entries without extra effort. Also, avoid distractions inside the app that do not contribute to entries or points. Focus only on actions that increase your chances. Another important point is withdraw expectations. Even when users win, rewards are usually small or tied to sweepstakes timing. So the real strategy is not chasing big wins, but stacking small opportunities over time. But here's the final truth. There is no hack that guarantees success on Lucktastic. Any video or post claiming otherwise is misleading. The only real strategy is consistency, timing, and realistic expectations. So here's the summary. Play daily. Use all free opportunities. Focus on bonus events, and avoid wasting time chasing impossible guarantees. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your experience with Lucktastic, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of earning apps in 2026.